Hi, Chuck! Happy birthday! So we're here.
Happy birthday!
Kasama ko si Prince, so...
Happy birthday!
Yeah, happy birthday to you. I'm with the BBF, of course, with MJ. Yeah,
Hi, Chuck! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Pumunta pa talaga kami kay Prince para lang gawin to.
Kaya nga, kina Prince pa talaga.
So, we have something for you. On your birthday,
Done.
we have... Happy birthday!
Close up, close up.
And happy birthday!
Lagyan mo siya flowers.
Ay, ganito talaga yan. Sobrang miss ko kayo lahat.
Yeah.
Ay! Oh my God! Aray ko!
Ako nangahawa. Oh.
Yan, so... magkasama-sama ulit tayo. Tayo kompleto.
Yeah, so si Nel na ang spokesperson ng BBF natin ngayon. So siya na magsasabi. Yes.
Ano na? Oy.
Happy birthday to you, friend.
Happy 20th birthday! Kahit ayaw mo maging 20, wala tayong magagawa dyan.
Wala tayong magagawa.
Yes. Okay lang.
Susunod
God
din
bless
ako.
you. Happy birthday. More blessings to come.
Happy birthday, Chuck!
Happy birthday.
Bye-bye!
See you!
Archer.
We love you, Chuck. I know you love us too. Kung hindi. God bless, Chuck. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday. More blessings to come. God loves you. Mama Mary loves you.
Ikaw na lang ko lang dito, Chuck, para makompleto ulit yung BBF.
Yes. As in, super effort kami para punta lang si Nel and everything. Sobrang, yeah.
Happy birthday ulit.
Parang hindi
Bye-bye!
Actually, it's 11 p.m.
Yes.
For you talaga.
Time check, bro.
For you.
10 baga.
10 pa lang.
Pakita talaga.
Joke. Bye. Happy birthday.
Bye.
Birthday, love you, Chuck.
Sabay-sabay tayo ng happy birthday.
Okay, one.
One.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday! Kung makita rin yun. Again. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday! God bless you. Bye-bye.
Bye. We treasure you so much, Chuck, and I just like.
Bye.
Tama na